Yeah. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your girl Vivian. Yet again with another video. Yeah, I did my technical analysis. At least I think there was one video that I posted early in the morning on my channel. And normally I like doing my analysis on my laptop, but I use my demo account. But on my phone, normally, because I walk around, I check my I check my trade. I can now use my phone. So I'm here with my trade for today. I'm thinking of taking my profit with you guys. You can see my analysis. At least. I traded like three currency here. you know US JPY, pounds JPY, euro JPY. And the trading is trading. This is my trade in the morning. I have few losses, you can see it. Actually, the reason why this losses happen is because I just cut it because I'm waiting for a particular time. I'm waiting for a London section, so I decided to cut it. If to say I leave it, I know I'll pick my profit by now, but I just decided to cut it in the morning just to start on a fresh note. I wanted to start. But then my this is my profit for in the morning, like almost 900. We're sitting at 900. It doesn't matter when you're having losses, you still recover 900. So for today, let's see our chart. Now we are sitting at 1900. The trading is trading. It's looking beautiful. You can see, wow, the trading is trading. Maybe I'll wait. As soon as it enter 2000, I'll cut the trade with you people. I'll take my profit. You can see this is my euro JPY. You can see the candlestick. Any moment it will hit the take profit. You can see the take profit here. This is where I'm supposed to take my profit. So that is here, but it will still hit. Because looking at the analysis, looking at my chart, I know it will hit. So that's for euro JPY. Then let's check for my pounds JPY. You can see the trading is trading. This one will soon hit too. The take profit will soon hit. You can see how it's looking. This is how it is. I have like more than 5 trades here that I place. It will soon hit. And then I also traded US JPY. This one, maybe as I'm here self doing this video, it can hit and take the profit. You can see the trading is trading. We're trading. It has entered 2000. I told you guys that as soon as it entered 2000, I'm going to take the profit. This is my profit in the morning. But as soon as I entered for this section, this time that I wanted to wait for, and this is how the trading is going. The trading is trading. It's trading well. Everything you can see. You can see our trade is looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. And one thing again, I need to tell you guys, my subscribers, people say trading is a scam. Trading is not a scam when you learn it. When you lay trading, it's not a scam. But when you give it to people, some people say, I want to invest for you. All those ones. We have 90% of scammers using trading to scam you. But those are not real traders. They are not even real traders. They are not trading real people. They don't even know how to trade. Because the person that knows how to trade and is making his money, I don't think he's going to scam you of your money. So I don't think so. Don't allow anybody scam you of your hard-earned money. You better learn. At least here, dropping some little things for you guys. At times I put on my analysis, like in the morning I have to show you the way I did my analysis and enter my trade. It's the same way I do every time. It's not difficult. Learn it yourself, trade yourself. Don't allow anybody scam you of your hard-earned money. See, in the morning I did this, I make this. It's possible anybody can make this money. You see this one. Don't go and be putting your money somewhere, invest how many percent. Don't do that. So you need to learn trading yourself. Learn trading yourself. Sit down and learn it yourself. So that's that for now. I think. Yeah, my beautiful people. I think I need to cut the trades for now because I know that this trade, see this one, we hit this take profit. Definitely US GPY will hit the take profit. You can see it is trading. I know definitely it's gonna take profit. You can see how the trading is going. It's going on beautiful. You don't need, again, you don't need to be depending on people for signals. Every time you're waiting for someone to give you signal, send us signal, you're in this signal group, you're in that signal group. Better learn it yourself. When you learn the real thing, the real deal yourself, you don't need anyone to generate signal. You generate your signal yourself. You can see I generate all my signals myself. I know where to take to enter trade. I know where to do my step loss. I know where to take my profit. So I don't think it's a big deal. So I think for now I'm good to go. I want to cut my trade here. Yeah, I want to cut my trade with you guys. I want to do bulk operation. Then I want to do, at first we're sitting at this. I want to do close all trades. You can see at once everything closed, bam. So the total is 6,7 something. Let's see what we have for today. 2,900. We're sitting at 2,900. Anybody can do this. It's not difficult. You see everything I've closed. Once you click one button, everything, all the trade will be closed. You see all the trade are looking beautiful. And it's enough for me for today. I'm good for today till I come your way with yet another video tomorrow. Today being the 4th of January 2023. You can see the date. Almost every day I have trade for every day. You see, this is for the 4th. So these are the currency I trade. I will check any currency that I can see good signs, good signals to trade. Why not? I take advantage of it immediately. So that's why it's good for you to learn how to trade. Thank you, my lovely people. Please don't forget to subscribe for more knowledge on trading. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm grateful. It's your girl Vivian. I want to say bye for now. Bye.